Hello, my name is Steve Conley. I'm the owner of Environmental Automotive in Millersville, Maryland. I just wanted to talk to you today about the new Freon that's out here on these newer cars. It's called R134yf, and we have the equipment and we have the techs that are certified to service your vehicle. Now this is a new Freon, mostly on vehicles probably 18 and above. Not all of them, but there's quite a few. Some of them even go back to 2013. I've seen Chryslers that have them that way, that far back. So we're able to service your vehicle. We've done a lot of these services, so we know what we're doing. We have a lot of vehicles that come down from my body shop next door, Severna Park Auto Body, where we have a lot of new vehicles that have front end collisions, so we have to go ahead and service those vehicles. So we also service R134, which is the majority of the vehicles out there today. We've done a lot of those cars. So we don't just charge them, we also repair leaks, if bad condensers, bad AC compressors. Sometimes you have an issue inside the car where they have what they call the evaporator. That's down below the dashboard, where you gotta, sometimes, not all vehicles, but you have to pull the dashboard out to repair that. So if you do have an issue with your R134, or more importantly, you have a newer car with the R1234 in it, we can service that and take care of that for you. What you're gonna find is a lot of dealers will charge a lot more than we would do. And then sometimes you're going to find some of the independent shops out there like myself, they haven't invested in this equipment yet. They will, but if you find that your shop does not have that, we'll be glad to take care of it for you. So anyway, just give us a call, 410-987-5546. We're in Millersville, Maryland. Been here for 26 years. Well established. Check our Google reviews, almost up to 300 now, and we'll be glad to take care of it for you. Thanks again. Stay safe out there.